Okay, so we have stuffed bell peppers, yellow, red, and orange, because I like the colors. 3 of them have chicken sausage, apple chicken sausage in them. The others have hot Italian sausage in them. I have mushrooms that I cut up and sauteed with thyme. And then I took the top of the peppers and cut them up and sauteed them with some bok choy. And then the meats, we mixed them all together and put them in the shells, cooked them for 25 minutes at 350 in an oven. Now I've pulled them out and I put a little goat cheese on top and some Parmesan cheese. And I'll cook them for another 10 minutes and they should be done. Voila.